Welcome to GRE English Preparation. In this video, we will work in English grammar materials, focusing on sentence correction. Sentence correction involves error detection on given sentence. This task has 6 key objectives: subject-verb agreement, pronoun antecedent agreement, verb tense consistency, parallel structure, modifiers, and idiomatic expressions. The first task is subject-verb agreement. In this task, you must ensure the subject and verb agree in number, singular or plural. For example, "The cat is sleeping" is a correct sentence because the cat indicates singular subject and corresponds correctly to verb be, is. "The cats are sleeping" is also correct sentence since verb be, are, is paired with plural subjects. The second task is pronoun antecedent agreement. In this task, you must ensure that a pronoun must agree in number and gender with its antecedent, the noun it replaces. Here we provide 1 correct and incorrect examples. First example shows that each student is a singular and the pronoun must be in singular form, which is his or her. The third task is verb consistency. In this task, you must ensure consistent verb tenses within sentences unless the context requires a change. In our example, "The phone rings" is wrong because the sentence is in past tense. So, the correct verb must be in past tense. Rang. The fourth task is parallel structure. In this task, you must ensure that all items in a list or comparison follow the same grammatical form. For example, "To run," while seemingly correct, is not in the same form as hiking and swimming. Therefore, verb "to run" must be converted into gerund, running. The fifth task is modifiers. In this task, you must place the correct modifiers, such as adjectives, adverbs, or even modifying phrases, to avoid ambiguity. The correct example shows that the man driving the car is the uncle. The incorrect example shows that it is unclear whether the driver is the uncle or a different man. The sixth and the last task is idiomatic expressions. In this task, you must use correct idiomatic phrases for prepositions and verb forms. For example, verb capable is followed by of and gerund. Therefore, using infinitive form such as to complete is a wrong choice. Now let us see the sample questions for this material. Question 1. Each of the books on the shelf are marked with a label indicating its genre. Pause the video for a moment to answer the question. The answer for question 1 is B. Is marked with a label indicating its genre. The subject each is singular, so the verb must also be singular, as marked. Additionally, it agrees with the singular subject each. Question 2. The team of researchers, along with their lead scientist, were scheduled to present their findings at the conference. Pause the video for a moment to answer the question. The answer for question 2 is B. Was scheduled to present their findings. The subject "the team" is singular, even though it refers to a group. Therefore, the singular verb was is correct. To present is the correct infinitive verb form. Question 3. Neither the manager nor the employees was available to meet with the client. Pause the video for a moment to answer the question. The answer for question 3 is B. Were available to meet with the client. When neither nor is used, the verb agrees with the closer subject. Since employees is plural, the correct verb is were. Question 4. The results of the study, which demonstrates the effectiveness of the treatment, were published in a renowned journal. Pause the video for a moment to answer the question. The answer for question 4 is B. Demonstrate the effectiveness of the treatment. The subject results is plural, so the verb must also be plural. Demonstrate. The phrase "the effectiveness of the treatment" does not affect the subject-verb agreement. Question 5. The data collected during the experiment was analyzed thoroughly by the research team. Pause the video for a moment to answer the question. The answer for question 5 is B. Were analyzed thoroughly by the research team. The word data is plural in scientific contexts, so the plural verb were is appropriate. The singular form, datum, would require was. That concludes our preparation for today. Make sure to work on your problem sets to better prepare for the actual tests. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Good luck with your studies.